One of our most requested feature is finally here, multi-account management. If you've been juggling multiple Thread accounts and wishing for an easier way to manage them all, your wish just came true. With Threadsight, you can now add multiple accounts, switch between them effortlessly, and manage all your content in one place. As a quick heads up, this feature is only available for team plan or lifetime plan. While the setup process might feel a little tricky due to the current limitations of Threads, we've got you covered with this quick guide. Once you're set up, you're good to go. Here's how it works. First, log in Threads with the account you want to connect to. For example, we're using our official website, and come back to Threadsight and click this profile and select and continue. Boom. Now your account is added. Now you can switch accounts, explore a new strategy, and experiment to your heart's content, or all the premium features are unlocked for the account. Whether you're a solopreneur managing multiple brands or a content creator exploring different niches, this feature is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. So try out.